Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of options trading and explore one specific strategy: selling put options. Selling put options can be an effective way to generate income and potentially acquire stocks at a discounted price. So, let's break it down step by step. Income generation. One of the primary motivations for selling put options is to generate income. When you sell a put option, you receive a premium upfront from the buyer. This premium is yours to keep, regardless of whether the option is exercised or not. By consistently selling put options, you can potentially earn regular income, especially in a stable or bullish market environment. Acquiring stocks at a discount. Another benefit of selling put options is the potential to acquire stocks at a discounted price. When you sell a put option, you agree to buy the underlying stock if the option is exercised. If the stock price falls below the strike price, the option buyer may exercise the option, and you'll have the opportunity to acquire the stock at a lower price than the current market value. This can be an attractive way to enter positions in stocks you want to own at a more favorable price. Risk management. Risk management is a crucial aspect of options trading, and selling put options is no exception. While selling put options can be a lucrative strategy, there are risks involved. If the stock price drops significantly below the strike price, you may end up buying the stock at a higher price than the current market value. It's essential to carefully select strike prices and stocks you're comfortable owning in case the option is exercised. Key considerations. Before venturing into selling put options, there are a few key considerations to keep in mind. Firstly, conduct thorough research on the underlying stock and its potential risks. Secondly, select strike prices and expiration dates that align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Finally, stay vigilant and actively monitor your positions, as market conditions can change rapidly. Example of a sell put option: you have a sell put option of 100 shares, $15 at the 30th of July 2023. And you collected a premium of $100. On the 31st of July, if the stock becomes $12, you will be required to outlay $1,500 to purchase the stock at $15, which means a paper loss of $300. And you still get to keep $100 premium. Hence, your net paper loss is $200. What if the stock becomes $16? You will then not be required to exercise the option. And your net gain is $100 from the premium collected. In the next few videos, we will explore the other basics of options. Stay tuned.